Signing into Google Chrome means you never have to worry about losing your data, like your browsing history, bookmarks, saved passwords, and other settings. Whenever you reinstall Chrome or switch to using it on another device, everything will be perfectly synced. When you install Google Chrome on a new computer and open it up for the first time, you'll see a screen that looks like this. You can just hit Sign In right here to get started. If not, from the main Google Chrome window, just click on the avatar icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then, click on Sign In to Chrome. Next, go ahead and type in your Gmail address. Then click Next. If you're on a Mac and your password is saved in your iCloud keychain, you can just click here to autofill it. Otherwise, simply type in your password manually. You might also need to go through two-step verification depending on your specific security settings. Once you're successfully signed in, a window will pop up showing you all the data that will be synced. This includes your bookmarks, autofill info, extensions, history, and passwords. Finally, just go ahead and click Yes, I'm in. Now you'll notice the avatar icon in the top right corner has changed. It displays your Google account info along with a message saying Sync is on. You'll also see your bookmarks bar pop right back up on your screen. All of your saved sites, browsing history, and passwords on this profile are now safely stored on the Google Cloud. Whenever you switch to another machine or reinstall the browser, just sign back in with this exact Gmail account, and all your data will seamlessly sync right back. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.